Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python Pandas. Begin by understanding its fundamental data structures, series and data frames. A series is like a single column of data, while a data frame is a table with rows and columns. Practice creating these structures from various data sources, such as CSV files or dictionaries. Focus on basic operations like selecting data, filtering rows, and adding new columns. This foundational knowledge is essential for more complex tasks. Next, dive into essential Pandas operations for data preparation. You will frequently import data from files like CSVs or Excel spreadsheets and export your results. Data cleaning is vital. Learn to identify and manage missing values, perhaps by filling them with a mean or median or dropping rows. Grouping data to calculate sums, averages, or counts across categories is another powerful technique you will use often. Once you have cleaned your data, focus on transformation and analysis. Learn to merge or join multiple data frames, which is critical when working with related information from different sources. Applying custom functions to columns allows for flexible data manipulation, like converting units or creating new features. Finally, integrate your Pandas skills with data visualization tools to effectively communicate your findings through charts and graphs. To truly master Pandas, explore advanced topics like multi-level indexing for complex data structures and time series analysis for temporal data. Understanding how to optimize your code for performance, especially with large datasets, will make your work much more efficient. Remember, consistent practice with real-world projects is the best way to solidify your skills. For more great deals and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, be sure to look at the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.